Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 5, C is 12 and D is 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So first we have to see like this part, we will write as it is and we will write 10 minus 6 equals to 4 and multiply by 3 plus 5, we will write as it is. And here we have reference like 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Now, move forward. Step number 2 is we have to solve the exponent and order of operation of the expression. So, here we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this one. Step number 3 is we have to solve division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS rule, the solution is same for both. So we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So 20 divided by 4, we will write 20 divided by 4, 5 multiplied by 3 and plus 5. Again, we will write as it is 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Now, move forward. Step number 3, we will again repeat because we have another multiplication which is 5 multiplied by 3. So here we have to multiply these two terms. So we get the answer is 15. Okay, one more thing. Sometimes people says I'm using the PAMDAS. So first we have to multiply this part and then after that they divided this. So you will get the different answer because this is 4 multiplied by 3, which is 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8 and 4 3 the 6 3. So you get 5. First we have to divide the 20 divided by 4. So we get the answer is 5. So the correct rule is this part. So 5 we will write as it is. Then here we have give the reference like 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. And here we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 20. So the answer of the given expression is 20. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.